Hey everybody, Merry Christmas. Hey y'all, I'm here at my mom's cooking my sister's recipe with some shrimp, crawfish, and potato soup here. Check this out. I just browned down the Holy Trinity and 3 sticks of butter. Now y'all, I'm fixing to add them shrimp in there. Mama said she peeled these shrimp. It took 8 pounds to get 3 pounds of shrimp. So that's 3 pounds of shrimp going in. We're gonna cook them down right there. Ooh, man, look how pretty that looks right there, y'all. Goodness gracious alive. Got them shrimp all cooked down in that Holy Trinity and the butter. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna move it to this pot right here. So get it set up. We're gonna move it right on into this pot now. Ooh, boy, don't that look pretty right there. Man, that looks good. Get it with 1 can of drained corn. Like that. And then I got 2 cans of cream corn here. Hit it with 2 cans of cream corn. That. Then I got 3 cans of potato soup right here. There's 1, 2, 3 cans of it going in. And can number 3. We're gonna go in with 1 quart of half and half. We got some of them Southern Boys crawfish that we ate the other day left over. Mama peeled them, so we're gonna add them crawfish in there. Half a cap of liquid crab oil right here. Just a half a cap. All right, we're gonna stir that all up. We're gonna get that boiling, and once we bring it to a boil, we'll season to taste after that. It's all starting to cook together. Look at that. Ain't quite to a boil yet, but Mama says she wanted some green onions in it, so we're gonna add a little green onion to it. Like that. Oh man, look at that's gonna look so pretty. Look at it, y'all. Look how good that looks already. All right, y'all, now we're gonna hit it with that Southern Boys. A little Southern Boys going in there like that. Hit it with a little black pepper like that. Ooh-wee. All right, let's get that all mixed up in there. Look at that. Like helping my mama cook my sister's recipe of shrimp and corn soup, but we added crawfish to it, so I guess we could call it shrimp, crawfish, and corn soup with cream and potato soup or whatever. But anyway, it's going to be good. All right, y'all. Mama wants me to move it to a crock pot. Check this out, y'all. And we're going to get it over here in this crock pot now. Check that big crock pot out right there. Anyway, let's try it and see what it tastes like. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks right there. Now, I know it's going to be good because my brother-in-law done gave the stamp of approval on it. Y'all check this out, though. But I had to taste it in front of y'all. I got to eat it in front of y'all.